Minasan, konnichiwa. Kaycee desu. This is sentence pattern using X wa, Y desu. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee, and today we're going to learn on how to form a sentence in Japanese using the basic pattern X wa, Y desu. So, excited na ba kayong maka-form ng sentence in Japanese? Are you all ready? Let's start!
As mentioned earlier, we will be using the X wa, Y desu pattern, which in English it is X is Y. X refers to the topic. So, ano ba yung topic? Topic is the one that you would like to discuss on your sentence, whereas Y refers to your comment. So, this is your comment or your opinion about the topic. Next, we have wa as our topic marker. I know nagtataka kayo kasi itong character na ito is our hiragana character for ha. But it was read as wa. So to clarify, this character, when used sa mga words like hashi, meaning chopsticks, it will be read as ha, hashi. However, it is read as wa if this will be used as a topic marker or yung tinatawag nilang particle. Huwag kayong malilito ha! Next, we have the des. Notice the silent Q sa pagbasa nito. So these are what we call in English as the be verbs, like is, am, are, and so on. Let's take a look at the following examples. First, I am Kaycee. So first, we will identify our X or topic, which is I, and the Y or our comment is Kaycee. I in Japanese is watashi. Kaycee in Japanese, we are pronouncing it as Keishi. On side note, the name Kaycee is not written in hiragana, but rather, this is in katakana. As mentioned on previous lesson, katakana is used for borrowed or loan words, such as this one. I will have a separate video on how to read and write in katakana. Anyways, let's move on and make this one into a sentence. Watashi wa Keishi desu. I am Kaycee. Second example, I am Filipino. I is our X or topic, while Filipino is our Y or comment. So in Japanese, I is watashi, as mentioned earlier, and Filipino is Philippine Jin. Notice again the presence of katakana. Now let's make this into a sentence. Watashi wa Philippine Jin desu. I am Filipino. Third example we have, I am a student. Again, I is our topic, and this time our comment is student. In Japanese, I is watashi, and student is gakusei. Notice again the silent Q. So completing the sentence, we have watashi wa gakusei desu. I am a student. However, if you will form this in a paragraph, you should eliminate saying watashi because it is already established that you're talking about yourself. You can simply say Keishi desu, Philippine Jin desu, no gakusei desu. Take a look at these examples. First, Sakura is a Japanese. Here, our topic is Sakura, so this is our X. Then Japanese is our comment. This is our Y. Let's make this to a sentence. Sakura wa Nihonjin desu. Sakura is a Japanese. Second, sushi is delicious. For this, our X is sushi and Y is delicious. In Japanese, delicious is oishii. To form it into a sentence, we have sushi wa Oishii desu. Sushi is delicious. Third example is Mr. Tanaka is a company employee. Mr. Tanaka is our topic, and in Japanese we say Tanaka-san. Company employee is our comment, and in Japanese it's kaishain. Kaisha means company, kaishain means company employee. And to make it into a sentence, Tanaka-san wa kaishain desu. Mr. Tanaka is a company employee. Another examples are, first, my major is Japanese language. Here, in this example, our topic is major, which in Japanese it is senko, while our comment is Japanese language or Nihongo. And to make it a sentence, we have Watashi no senko wa Nihongo desu. My major is Japanese language. Second, we have my teacher is Mr. Takeshi. Teacher is our topic, and in Japanese it's sensei. Since we are talking about someone, but if you're talking about yourself, it should be kyoshi. Anyway, moving on, our comment is Mr. Takeshi, which in Japanese is Takeshi-san. Now let's finish our sentence. Watashi no sensei wa Takeshi-san desu. My teacher is Mr. Takeshi. Lastly, we have today is Sunday. Today in Japanese is kyou. Sunday in Japanese is nichiyobi. To make it a sentence, kyou wa nichiyobi desu. Today is Sunday. Now let's talk about the days of the week. Sunday is nichiyobi. Monday, ketsuyobi. Tuesday, kayobi. Wednesday, suiyobi. Thursday, mokuyobi. Friday, kinyobi. Saturday, toyobi.
So now that we've learned to construct simple sentences on their affirmative form, next we will learn to construct their negative form. Ja, mite kudasai ne.
As mentioned, we will construct sentences on their negative form using the pattern X wa y janai desu or X wa y ja arimasen, which in English, X is not Y. X refers to the topic and Y refers to the comment. Wa is the topic marker or particle. Janai desu is used in a casual situation. Ja arimasen is used in a more formal form, while de wa arimasen is used in writing. This will be our pattern to form a negative sentence. Let's see the following examples. First, I am not Mitsuha. I is our topic, which in Japanese is watashi, and Mitsuha is our comment. To complete the sentence, watashi wa Mitsuha ja arimasen or watashi wa Mitsuha janai desu. I am not Mitsuha. Second, we have Mary is not Japanese. Mary in Japanese is pronounced as Meyari, and our comment is Nihonjin. Let's make it into a sentence. Meyari wa Nihonjin janai desu or Meyari wa Nihonjin ja arimasen. Mary is not Japanese. Third and last example for this lesson is Miss Sarah is not a teacher. Miss Sarah in Japanese is Sara-san. Teacher is sensei. To complete the sentence, it's Sara-san wa sensei ja arimasen or Sara-san wa sensei janai desu. Miss Sarah is not a teacher.
Sana natuto kayo sa mga simple sentences na ginawa natin and keep practicing on forming simple sentences to be able to construct a paragraph. Kasi 'di ba usually gano'n naman eh. Doon naman talaga nagsa-start yung learning eh. Sa mga pag-construct mo ng simple sentences, and then eventually paragraph, and so on. So, there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below sa mga questions and suggestions ninyo para sa akin. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou gozaimasu! Bye-bye! じゃあね